Following a substantial refit lasting 1,420 days, HMS Sutherland has moved from Devonport's Basin 2 to the seawall, marking a major step towards returning to active duty. Citing from the Force's news website, known as the Fighting Clan, HMS Sutherland has undergone a major overhaul since 2020, including upgrades to its engines, combat systems and living quarters, ensuring the ship remains in tip-top condition until 2032. The crew of HMS Sutherland marked the milestone with a post on X, stating, "The Fighting Clan has left 2 basins and is now on the seawall. A major milestone in our efforts to return to frontline operations." They praised Babcock International, Serco Group and KHM Plymouth for their role in getting to this point, calling it a great team effort. The Royal Navy expects HMS Sutherland to rejoin its anti-submarine operations as a formidable submarine hunter, equipped with the Sea Scepter missile system to defend against air attack. For additional information, HMS Sutherland is a Type 23 frigate of the British Royal Navy that specializes in hunting submarines and is the fastest ship in the Royal Navy fleet.